I don't know if
I guess.
what we should do.
Are we just gonna be fucking around?
Yeah.
We do like a starting thing or...
Yeah, we'll do starting thing right now. Alright, everyone get near the camera.
We did it, Josh!
Everyone have a forgotten notes how to do it. You ever fought F-150? You ever wondered
Sorry. Wow. Yeah, this is totally road legal.
We got Donald Trump and this guy who looks like he's about to give me gold.
Hey bitches, guess who's fucking back? We're back.
Hey, all you stinky fucking cum baby motherfucker tit ass butt mongrels. We're back with another video, and finally we got the whole crew back. Today we're doing, people often ask me, oh, guys, if the original, shut the fuck up. If the original FemBoy tier list was so good, how come they didn't make a sequel? Well, that's what we're doing now. Today I have world's sexiest albatross Nick with me, and the electrician, the only electrician apprentice in Spain, Josh. So we're going to be learn how to speak American. Anyways, Josh, please tell us our lineup for today.
I don't know half of these guys.
Okay, that makes both of us then. Nick, do you know any of these motherfuckers?
Joe Biden.
Is Joe Biden even in there, or are you just saying
Yes, he is.
He is?
Or is that Trump? I can't tell.
Half of these people either look...
This one's Trump.
Okay,
Half
well,
of these...
Trump.
You know what? Let's just start with him.
Okay, Trump.
F
I think he could go solidly into... actually, let's check the skin tone.
I think he should be in F tier.
Bro matched him with the fucking... Oh my lord.
He's definitely not an A tier.
He's B
Yeah,
tier.
I mean...
If he offered me a hand job, why not?
let's match him with his hair. He's the only guy on here who's, like, completely blonde.
That is true.
Bro, that's not even blonde. That's just see-through, basically.
Yeah, but there is a tint of yellow to it.
Yeah. Next person.
Obama?
No. Trump's definitely a femboy, though. He's a pretty good femboy.
Okay.
Definitely acts like one. Okay,
Yeah.
Obama.
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 Underrated. I mean, not underrated. He's very well known. I think he's like about as rated as he should be.
He's got a nice lesbian haircut, which
B
really
for
gets me
Barack.
going. B for Barack.
Boop for Barack.
Now hold on, you telling me that the only man that doesn't look like he's fucking 80 in this tier list is a B? The fuck you put in like above him, dog? He's the only person up in this
probably
bitch
gonna
that doesn't have
spread it out
gray
in a
hair.
minute.
Fuck
Is that
you
Stephen
mean
Hawking?
B?
I'm probably gonna spread things out.
Dude, put that guy up in A.
Yeah, it matches his. You know what? The color actually nicely matches.
All right, next.
Okay, next, George Bush.
Does he have a bush?
I know, but he destroys huge monuments.
And
I'd put him in the S tier.
All right, I'd say that's fair. That's fair.
now, I don't really like anyone else on here, so I don't know any of them.
I think we should just get it out of the way. Bill Clinton plays the saxophone, so he's obviously an S tier.
Yeah, plus
Bro,
one's
that
Bill
picture, bro.
Clinton from Angry Video Game Nerd Cinematic Universe.
Bro,
Oh yeah, who could forget about
do you
that?
remember that guy at the Oscars who nominated Bill Clinton?
No, when did that
Yeah.
happen?
Not too long ago. He's like, I nominate Bill Clinton.
Was he high?
No. And he apparently like stuck his way onto the stage and just said he's gonna nominate Bill Clinton.
So he wasn't even fucking. What the fuck?
Yeah.
I'm so- some rando. Yo, is this the fucking gold giver himself?
Yeah, he also. We've also discovered that he made a lot of furry conservation areas.
That mustache would feel weird. Fucking, he's definitely not an A tier, in my
Yeah.
opinion.
Let's put it in B.
Everyone else is like 3,000 years old.
Um.
Oh, there's Abraham.
Oh yeah.
Bro, is that Mr. Bean next to him?
What?
Is that Mr. Bean?
What are you on? Are you fucking blind?
JF. Okay, let's move just straight to JFK. Very open-minded.
A little too.
Yeah.
Bro, is that Voldemort down there?
I would say he gives good head, but it doesn't seem like he has one. But he's
Bro,
still
it's
an S
Harry
tier.
Potter and Voldemort right next to each other.
I mean, has a nice hole in his head.
You're gonna fucking fuck his wounds? That's horrible.
That? No.
What's he gonna do?
What's he gonna do? Unblow his head off? Fucking idiot.
Okay, is this Ronald Reagan? I feel like
I
it
don't
is.
know.
I'm just gonna assume it is.
Other than Abraham. And I don't know anyone else here.
Just a sec. Let's rate Ray Gun first. He can shoot lasers.
Bro,
he
what?
Because Ronald Ray Gun.
Oh, okay. That was
They don't have much use though.
But is he hot? That's what this boils down to.
Yeah, I'd have to put him in A tier.
Fair.
He's like a slightly inferior JFK.
Okay, I feel you. Yeah, I see it.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. I mean, George Washing Machine. He was enough of a femboy to get the whole business going. I'd have to put him in S tier.
I don't know about that, Chief. He kind of looks like an old fart to me. Maybe an A.
Yeah, A tier.
Hey, that's a little high, I think.
You think A is a little high?
Bro looks like he's wearing his mop on his hair.
Yeah. Yeah, on second thought.
Still, though, it does give some femboy appeal because, like, it's vaguely girl hair shaped.
Yeah, that is true. But I don't know if I would put him on the same tier as like Obama, bro.
Yeah, I mean, like he's not at the same end of the tier, obviously.
I would have him probably around the Trump level.
Really? See, that's low. That's low.
Or
I'd
the
put him
gold
in B.
Yeah, put him with the gold man.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, this guy straight to F tier.
Mr. Bean.
Yeah, it looks like he's gonna give me an
like
offer
human
I can't refuse.
of like a one of those beans that has the little white dots
Yeah,
on
Mr.
it.
Bean.
He looks like he's gonna smoke a cigar in my house and then like fucking put it out on my
Hey,
arm.
what you gonna do about it?
The fuck you gonna do about it, huh?
Harry Potter next?
Drop an atomic bomb on him, according
This
to this
guy has no drip.
Bro's got the Harry Potter Hogwarts glasses on his face.
Be real, he kind of goes in D tier.
Yeah,
This man's so white. He's not just a cracker. He's the whole fucking box.
Bro outshines Casper.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, look at this guy.
What, fucking
underrated
Edward
classic.
Scissorhands?
Edward Smithers.
Straight to A. Look at that
Honestly,
haircut.
yeah, he's kind of got like a charm to him.
Nixon.
Fuck Nixon! All my homies hate Nixon.
Now, my fellow Americans.
I would never stick my dicks in a Nixon.
My fellow Americans.
My fellow Americans, I have
He
presidential
does look-
AIDS.
He does look a little bit okay. He looks better than Mr. Bean.
Well, yeah, anyone looks better than Mr. Bean.
Okay, I think it's time
What do you
we
mean?
get
You
to
saying
Lincoln again.
you saying Voldemort at the bottom there looks better than Mr. Bean? I don't know about that.
Lincoln.
He kind of
Something
looks like a
about the number
caveman.
87.
He looks like he's hasn't come out yet.
Yeah, but he still looks like good and stuff.
He does look good. His hairstyle's really nice.
I think he should be with the other old guys.
Yeah, I second that.
Everyone here
High
prefers
pitch here.
old guy.
Half these photos are in fucking black and white.
Yeah, 'cause they're from before color.
This guy has a beard. Probably not.
F.
F for
F.
fucking
Absolute
get rid of
F.
that beard.
This guy looks.
He looks like
Yeah.
he's from the fucking Addams family.
That's what I was
You
saying.
cannot tell me
Bro
that
looks like
anything
the
other
skull
than an
emoji. F.
I was saying, bro, looks like Voldemort down there.
Is this like George Bush, like the prequel or something?
This is someone's white dad pretending to be a president.
Yeah, hey, look at me, son.
Hey there, sport, vote for me.
Should we put him in D?
Yeah, for
I guess.
dad.
Also, look at that forehead. You could colonize that and call it a new state.
Bruh.
Watch out, they'll take the oil if you find oil there.
Why didn't I think of that?
Alright, who's the next one?
Sepia tone dude.
He's
Mr. Man. He's like,
Let's put him in C tier.
bro.
Does look a bit masculine.
He's almost a B, but like
He
he's.
looks like he hasn't got his Happy Meal yet.
I think what's doing it for me is his hair's way too fucking short. That's too much forehead. So yeah,
Yeah.
I put it in C.
Bro looks like he's waiting for his Happy Meal stuff.
This guy looks.
Bro,
Like-
why is his head so small?
Bro, he has like a $3 haircut.
He does have a yeezy ass haircut.
He's gonna have to go through D though. His drip's pretty good.
Yeah.
This guy, he's old, but
He needs some sleep.
yeah, he could
Get
be
this
a
man a fucking mattress, bro.
could have been a B, but like but he's let himself drop down to C.
Yeah.
This guy, why? How did he even make it into the White House? He should have been dead on the front lawn.
Does he even know where he is?
Who is that?
But because he like died of old age because of the.
As
my
first, Mr. President, I have a question for you. Huh?
Ah!
What's your plans for illegal immigrants? What?
You have my lord.
Okay,
Where am I?
What year
which
is
one's
it?
Herbert Hoover?
Where's my wife,
Hold on,
Maurice?
Maurice.
I'm just gonna
Maurice.
Google something real quick.
I cannot
Maurice.
move it anymore.
Maurice, I cannot move it anymore.
I'm paralyzed from the neck down and I cannot move it no more.
Okay, this one's Herbert Hoover. F for
Wow.
fat.
Wow, discrimination.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Yeah, as one of the most beautiful love songs once said, "Where my fat ass skinny bitches in the club? Fuck those skinny bitches. Fuck those skinny bitches in the club. I want to see all that big fat ass in the motherfucking club. Fuck those skinny bitches. Fuck those skinny bitches. What? Yeah." Or something. I don't know. I don't remember the whole entire fucking song.
Okay, Thomas Jefferson.
Bro's really named Jefferson.
One of the original homies up beside Washington.
Wow, Washington.
Like
Bro,
literally
looks like,
identical.
looks like they're doing a team up.
Yeah, it does. They got their backs fucking together.
Yeah, they're absolutely doing a team up.
Yeah.
Team up in bed.
Bruh.
This guy looks like Bill Nye.
Bill Nye, the science guy.
Bill Nye if he was like in a fucking haunted mansion.
Bill Nye if he got some of those chemicals on him, bro.
Bill Nye looks
this
like he
guy's
should have
kind
died.
of like an inferior George Washington with a receding hairline.
Yeah, you're right. You're totally fucking right.
He's not F tier.
He's close to it.
George Washington, the alternate version.
Echo Fighter.
Echo Fighter.
Now this guy with the stripes on his tie, he's got drip and a half.
Yeah, he's the only one who's still in color.
I'd say B, personally. Almost A. This guy, he looks like the main character from Pet Stop.
You're right.
I don't even know what this is. Is this like what, like an illustration of Dracula?
This is John Redcorn from King of the Hill.
Bro looks like he's from Red Dead Redemption.
He does.
Oh, look at the hair. It's like white. It could just be the picture, but
Yeah, it looks like it. It doesn't look like he has hair. It looks like it's a part of like his head. Like his head just like go. It looks like he's bald and he has like a rat
Bro's from
tail.
Star Wars.
Yeah, he looks like a fucking Star Wars character. Fucking
should
put
we go
Jabba
D
the
or F?
Slut in F tier.
oh, this guy, he's real charming. Like, look
Hold
at the,
on.
He gives
look
me
at that
James
awesome.
Bond vibes.
And he's definitely got hair. So
The name's nuts. D's nuts.
It's D's nutty.
D's nutty.
I'd say he goes in B.
Honestly, yeah.
This person looks like
It looks AI generated.
Wow. Bro.
like they'd be named Catherine and would be a vampire.
Well, I'm thinking.
Taking femboy a bit too far, I think.
I'm saying a D tier.
He looks like he's going to run a game show.
Actually, you know
Spin
what?
the wheel.
I kind of want to go D. I mean, sorry, B tier, because like,
I don't know.
because remember this is how like how hot they are.
Saying D or C, in my opinion.
I'll settle with C. I think C's more appropriate.
Yeah. Yeah, but high C.
Yeah, high C. Like the drink.
We're not sponsored.
This guy looks like Dr. Phil.
Dr. Phil quit apparently.
Dr.
D
Phil.
for Doctor.
Dr. Fed Up.
Dr. fed up with this shit.
Fuck Dr. Phil. He
Why
can
does
fill up
this
my
guy have,
ass.
Why does this guy? Why did he stick a broom up his nose?
Bro looks like he wants that hedgehog. Bro looks like he's about to eat some chocolate covered cock.
This guy has like a military uniform and he looks decently cool.
Decently cool?
D for decent.
Bro, the D tier is almost filled up.
Should we make a new one?
No, let's just continue.
All of these guys?
No, let's just fucking continue. We can just
Okay,
blast
this guy
it.
looks like Dr. Evil, instant S tier.
Of course.
I don't know these people.
Albert Einstein. F.
Yeah, pretty shit.
I mean, if he was actually Einstein, he'd probably get like A. But he's not.
Imagine Albert Einstein as the president. Bro, who's that?
Look at his beard. It's like big.
He gives me bearded woman
Vertical.
vibes.
Bro's
It
about to
almost
go
looks like
get some.
Thanos' chin.
Bro,
You're right.
he's about to go find some buried treasure.
Yeah. Where are we gonna put fucking Davy Jones over here?
Well, I'm saying C tier.
C
I'll-
tier.
I'll settle. I feel like
C-
lower.
Yeah,
Really?
same.
Yeah.
If we're gonna, okay, this is like the second last D I think we can get. Yeah.
Now watch this.
No, bro,
Oh.
ain't no way you're
No.
gonna do my fucking homie Mr.
No,
Rogers
no.
like that.
No, I'm not. I'm just using the portrait
Oh, okay.
to like show you that it can accommodate more.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this guy goes C or B? Maybe B.
Yeah, B.
B.
Nick, what do you think? B? Okay.
Yeah, we're pretty unanimous on that.
I think that's the first.
Why does this
unanimous
guy look
one.
like he'd be ominously playing the piano? He is a bit better than the guys in F tier.
Yeah, slightly.
He's gonna ask for briskets.
This guy's just a guy.
He looks like he ate a squirrel.
He's storing your nuts for the winter, bro.
Yeah, with his fucking big ass cheeks.
I feel like D's a bit full. Should we make like
Nuts?
D2?
No.
Just say fuck. He's. Just put him wherever. I don't fucking care.
He looks like he'd be a good sugar daddy.
Jesus
So I'll put him in
Christ.
C.
Talking about sugar daddies.
This
and
guy-
the FrimBoy tier list.
He looks like if Frankenstein was a pedophile. Put that fucking motherfucker in F.
I was gonna say something about a horror story. This guy is like the
Like the
one that
Quaker
could've been
Oats guy
Thomas
if he was
Jefferson,
younger.
but Washington
It's
kicked
the
him out.
Quaker Oats guy. It's the Quaker Oats guy.
Porridge.
Yeah, C. He's like a bit of a downgrade to Thomas Jefferson.
Fair enough.
Quaker Oats guy.
Should we upgrade downgraded George Washington to give him his own little team up?
Up to you.
All right.
Bro, that's like the alternate team of the one above. That's like
Yeah,
their
it's-
sidekicks.
It's the Washington brothers.
We're the Washington brothers.
Because
Whoa,
like
yo.
these are the Washington brothers. So the opposite of W is M.
Mari.
Hanging with the plumbers, and we also fucked your mothers. Huh.
This guy looks like he's doing the rock eyebrow
What a
meme.
fucking Redditor. It looks like he's an atheist.
Yeah. F for a word we're not gonna say on this channel.
For
What? F for faggot?
I mean, yeah, but like you didn't have to say that.
But I did.
Point taken.
Okay, we got 3 people left.
This guy.
Bro, so he's refined.
Yeah, should we put him in C tier? For the refinement?
That is like one of the most least feminine mans you can fucking put up there. But yet again, we have some guy in a mustache in C, so
Yeah.
D.
Okay, we got.
This next
This
guy
guy
looks like he's gonna shove
Baby like
fucking.
Count Dooku?
He looks like
Dooku.
he looks like he's about to shove fucking cornflakes up my fucking dick hole, so I stop masturbating because it's a sin.
D for DeKellogg's.
Dick Kellogg's.
Dick Kellogg's.
D for don't fucking masturbate.
Or else I will shoot you.
Don't masturbate, or you'll go to jail and you'll only eat broccoli.
Okay. This
Guy's got a Jewish haircut.
And he looks.
He
I
looks
like the bow tie.
He looks like he's getting stalked.
What?
Look at his eyes. He's like looking away like he has to watch for someone coming at him.
Someone's holding a gun to his head off frame.
Like I said like 5 seconds ago, I really like the bow tie.
The bow tie is cool. It's a nice change of pace.
See then?
I'd also have to go D personally, but like high D.
High D.
Oh my God! We got them all. We collected all the Pokemon.
Whoa!
We're a presidential master.
What's your? Whoa!
What's your favorite Pokemon? Leave it in the description.
Mine's Bill Clinton.
Bill,
do you remember that episode where Team Rocket tried to capture Bill Clinton?
Yeah, and JFK had to shoot them.
Wow, the roles are reversed now.
Yeah.
And that was before the JFK arc, and the JFK's death arc.
Well, if you guys like the President Femboy, leave in comment which one's your favorite.
Leave in the comment if you like milk or you like shoving cactuses up your ass. Would you rather?
Let us know in the description.
Let us know.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What's your home address? Please let us know in the description along with your phone number.
Disclaimer, don't send us your home address.
Yeah, don't send us your home address. Wink, wink.
Don't.
Yeah, guys, don't send us your home address. Don't do that. Do not send your home address to our comments. Wink, wink.
Okay, don't.
Yeah, seriously.
I guess we'll see you all in the next video. And do any of you have any last words before I fucking cut your dicks off and make a necklace out of it?
I have AIDS.
Bro, same. Twinsies. Great speech. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And goodbye. And this is the part where I
goodbye.
Bye.